So guys, today we have one more interesting topic that is called longitudinal section of male urethra. Let's understand what is the longitudinal section. Suppose that this is fog master, and if we cut this fog master in this way, this will call transverse section, and if we cut the fog master in this way, right from the top to the bottom, then it will call the longitudinal section. And today we have the longitudinal section of male urethra, right? Then urethra is classified into the three types, namely the prostatic urethra and membranous urethra, and the last one that is called the penile urethra, right? If we talk about the length of that particular urethra, then the prostatic urethra having the length of 2 to 3 centimeter, membranous urethra has the length 1 to 2 centimeter, and the longest part that is called the penile urethra, which has the length of 15 centimeter. Let's move further. This is called urinary bladder. Urinary bladder opened into the structure called prostatic gland. This is called prostatic gland, right? Prostatic gland has one sphincter which controls and checks the urination, and which is called the internal sphincter. Have in mind, a sphincter is classified into two types, namely the internal sphincter, and this one is the external sphincter. One more information, guys. This internal sphincter is involuntary in nature, whereas this external sphincter is voluntary in nature. So we can control the urine by this external sphincter, not by the internal sphincter. But in the kids before 6 months, both sphincter are of involuntary type. Okay, let's move further. This is the prostatic gland, and it has an opening called ejaculatory duct. Means ejaculatory duct is from the you can say the testis is open in this prostatic gland, and this one is the site where it open up. Now membranous part of urethra has two structure. One structure is external sphincter, which we have discussed, and two paired Cowper's gland. One Cowper's gland is this, and another one is this. It is also known by the another name that is called the bulbourethral gland. Okay, the structure now open up into the 15 centimeter penile urethra, which has the basic part called root of the penis, right? After the root of the penis, the structure is called the shaft, and at the end point, the protruded section of our penis is known as the glans penis, right? And where the urinary duct opens up, this position is known as urogenital meatus or urogenital orifice, right? So this is the longitudinal section of male urethra and the different leveling of the diagram in this video. And if you have any doubt in this diagram, you can ask me in the comment box, and please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and if you have any doubt, ask in the comment box. Up till all, unless, good night.